Welcome back. This wideband I bought 2 days ago. This my viewers running too rich. Box it for you guys. Okay, show when it comes in. Alright, this is the part number here. Alright, this is what it looks like. Maybe a 360 view. I'm guessing I can open it from either way. Peel the sticker off of there. I have an extra one. The one I bought it off a guy on a page on Facebook, and he sold me something that did not work. I don't know if it's the sensor. I don't know if it's the plug. I don't know if it's the meter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a new sensor or the meter or the plug to see which is the problem. Is this one. This is the problem of the old one. The wires are out on the small one. So how do I reconnect that? Alright. I'm going to change it to white. I got the sensor here. I already have a sensor in there, so all I'm going to do is just plug it up to see if it works. I have the little things to put on the wire. Little rubber. I was about to say, like, where's my sticker? Okay, so I got a sticker. But yeah, there it is. Your wideband. Alright, I needed it fast, so I spent $185. Retail is $160, but then shipping was $12, and then taxes were like another $12, so I ended up spending almost $200. But hey, I got it. So there goes your review. That's what you get when you buy it. It comes with this, yeah, on how to basically install it, use it. Let's see, so I'll show you which model it is. Even though I showed you the, what's it called, 3-4110. Alrighty guys, peace. See ya. Don't want to be ya. Oh yeah, by the way, my car's done. I just need to tune it and slap this wideband on there and order a new air filter. Peace.